City Farm. Hi, sing along with us around the campfire.
Let's all do the camping sing-along.
Sing along!
Gather round and sing the camping song.
The camping song!
Let's go camping,
Camping!
and sing our camping song.
La 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 la.
First things first, let's put up our tent. Camping is much easier with your friends. Let's go camping,
Camping!
and sing our camping song. Let's all do the camping sing-along.
Sing along!
A fire will keep us warm tonight, and it will help us see in the evening light. Let's go camping and sing our camping song. Let's all do the camping sing-along.
Sing along!
Gather round and sing the camping song.
The camping song!
It's time for a sweet marshmallow roast as the fireflies twinkle and glow. There's so much beauty everywhere, and the smell of hot chocolate is in the air. Let's all do the camping sing-along.
Sing along!
Oh, it's getting late. We should go to sleep soon.
What's that noise?
A friendly raccoon! I love camping! Let's sing our camping song. Let's all do the camping sing-along.
Sing along!
Gather round and sing the camping song.
The camping song!
Let's go camping,
Camping!
and sing our camping song. Oh, little seed, you're in the ground below now. Oh, little seed, we'll wait for you to grow now. You're very small, but not for long. We love to sing our winter song. Oh, little seed, we'll wait for you to grow now. Grow, 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 little tree. Oh, little tree, you're really growing taller. Oh, little tree, you used to be much smaller. So nice and green among the snow, the friendly sun will help you grow. Oh, little tree, how lovely are thy branches. Grow, 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 little tree. Oh, little tree, you are so big and green now. Oh, little tree, you're big as you can be now. We'll sing the tree a lullaby. It's tall enough to touch the sky. Oh, little tree, how lovely are thy branches. On LelLobee City Farm. There was a farmer who had a cat, and Bingo was her name. Oh,
B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was her name.
there was a farmer who had a cat, and Bingo was her name. Oh,
I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was her name.
there was a farmer who had a cat, and Bingo was her name. Oh,
N-G-O,
There was a farmer who had a cat, and Bingo was her name. Oh, G-O, G-O, G-O,
and Bingo was her name. Oh,
there was a farmer who had a cat, and Bingo was her name. Oh, oh, oh,
oh, and Bingo was her name. Oh,
there was a farmer who had a cat, and Bingo was her name. Oh,
oh, and Bingo was her name. Oh,
on Lellobee City Farm, where good things grow.
Mailman, Mailman,
Won't you please come our way?
Mailman, Mailman,
What's in your bag today?
Mailman, Mailman,
What did you bring?
Mailman, tell me.
Did I get anything?
Ella, Ella,
Yes, mailman.
this is for you.
Thanks, mailman.
Open it up.
Yes, mailman.
What did you get?
A camera, cool.
Mailman, Mailman,
Won't you please come our way?
Mailman, Mailman,
What's in your bag today?
Rishi, Rishi,
Yes, mailman.
this is for you.
Thanks, mailman.
Open it up.
Yes, mailman.
What did you get?
A bouncy ball. Yay!
Mailman, Mailman,
Won't you please come our way?
Mailman, Mailman,
What's in your bag today?
Mailman, Mailman,
What did you bring?
Mailman, tell me.
Did I get anything? Izzy, Izzy,
Yes, mailman.
this came for you.
Thanks, mailman.
Open it up.
Yes, mailman.
What did you get?
A plush toy, cool.
Mailman, Mailman,
Won't you please come our way?
Mailman, Mailman,
What's in your bag today? May, May, yes, mailman. Did you get anything? No, mailman. What is this? Yes, mailman. Open it up. A photo, cool.
Mailman, Mailman,
You brought us so much today.
Mailman, Mailman,
Please come back again, okay?
You know where to find us
Oh, yes, I know.
on Lellobee City Farm, where good things grow.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Everybody wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, please, please stay. Ella wants to splash and play. We'll get wet, but that's okay. Rain, rain, come this way.
Rain, rain, pour right down. Make a puddle on the ground. Pamper wants to splash around. Rain, rain, pour right down.
Rain, rain, don't be shy. You can bring the plants to life.
We need water every day.
Rain, rain, come this way.
Rain, rain, please, please stay on Lellobee City Farm today.
We'll get wet.
But that's okay. Rain, rain, come this way.
loves to paint?
We love to
I
paint.
said, who loves to paint?
We all love to paint.
So many colors we can choose. Which color do you want to use?
Red,
Like an apple so ripe or a fire truck with flashing lights.
blue,
Now that's really cool. Like the water in the ocean or the water in a pool. Yeah, now mix them together. What do you see?
purple,
Purple. Now rap along with me. Who loves to paint?
we love to paint.
I said, who loves to paint?
We all love to paint. Yellow,
Like a bus for you and me. Or lemon on a lemon tree.
red,
Again, like an apple so ripe or a fire truck with flashing lights. Put them together, what do you see?
orange,
Orange. Now rap along with me. Who loves to paint?
we love to
I
paint.
said, who loves to paint?
We all love to paint.
So many colors we can choose. Which color do you want to use?
Green,
Like a frog jumping up and down, or a turtle crawling on the ground.
white,
Just like piano keys.
black.
They're the keys that are in between.
Now stop! Let's mix it up. With all these different colors, we can make some cool stuff.
Red and white.
Red and white,
Makes pink, that's right.
pink, that's right.
Yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue,
That's green, so cool.
so cool.
Now take all the colors in the whole wide town.
All the colors in the town.
What do you get?
What do you get?
Brown, brown, brown.
I said, who loves to paint?
We love to
I
paint.
said, who loves to paint?
We all love to paint.
We use so many colors today. Color is the LelLellobee way. Reading a book is so much fun.
And there's a book for everyone.
Open up a book and you will find a story comes to life.
I love to read westerns with cowboys on the range.
Yeehaw!
Riding round on horses is the cowboy way.
Open up a book and you will find a story comes to life.
I love adventures with dragons in the sky, flying over castles, looking down from way up high.
Open up a book and you will find a story comes to life. I love books about space and rockets in the stars. It's time to blast off for a flight to Mars. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Try another book and you will find a story comes to life.
Fairy tales are the stories for me. Skipping through the forest with birdies in the trees.
Open up a book and you will find a story comes to life. There are books for everyone.
I can't wait until tomorrow when we read a different one.
We can read every day and every night on Lellobee City Farm, where books come to life.
Doctor, doctor, can you help me? I'm feeling sick. What should I do?
Doctor, please, we need your help. And we know we can count on you. I have a headache. It really hurts. This nasty cold is just the worst.
Please lie down and rest your head. You'll feel much better if you stay in bed.
Thank you, doctor. You're the best. I am gonna get some rest. I have a temperature. What does that mean?
You'll be okay, just come with me. You need to rest and drink water too. You will much better soon.
Thank you, Doctor. You're the best. I'm gonna get some rest. I have a cough. It's really bad. It kind of hurts and it makes me sad.
Take this medicine with a spoon. It should make you feel much better soon. Thank you, Doctor, we're all better. You helped everybody.
You are the best.
Doctor, you have saved the day on Lellobee City Farm.
The best part of every day is doing things the healthy way.
Brushing your teeth or washing your hands is part of such a healthy plan.
We gotta stay clean, you know what I mean?
If you want a good day, do everything the healthy way. Healthy is the way to be with your friends at LelLobee.
Being healthy can be a treat.
If you pick some healthy fruits to eat, vegetables and fruit are great. So keep these healthy foods on your dinner plate. Healthy food will keep you strong. Now sing along. If you want a good day, do everything the healthy way. Healthy is the way to be with your friends at LelLobee.
A great way to stay in shape is to exercise every single day.
You can even stay active by dancing around. You can run back and forth or jump up and down.
Come on, everyone, move your body today. We're doing everything the healthy way.
If you want a good day, do everything the healthy way. Healthy is the way to be with your friends at LelLobee. With your friends at LelLobee. Well, I was playing on the swing, having fun doing my thing, when I had an accident and then I fell. I was feeling oh so sad. My boo-boo hurt really bad. But then my grandma came around. I'm here to help.
She said,
Boo, 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 boo. Don't you worry, I'm here for you. Boo, 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 boo. You're gonna be okay. Boo, 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 boo. I'm gonna be okay. Boo, 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 boo.
Well, I was riding very fast on my scooter, having a blast, when I had an accident and then I fell. I was feeling oh so sad. My boo-boo hurt really bad. But then my sister ran so fast. I'm here to help.
she said,
Boo, 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 boo. Don't you worry, I'm here for you. Boo, 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 boo. You're gonna be okay. Boo, 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 boo.
I'm gonna be okay.
Well, I was playing on the slide. It was such an awesome ride. When I had an accident and then I fell. I was feeling oh so sad. My boo-boo hurt really bad. But then my papa and my dad, we're here to help. Yeah, they said, boo, 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 boo. Don't you worry, we're here for you. Boo, 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 boo. You're gonna be okay. Boo, boo, don't you see? We'll help you out at LelLobee. Boo, 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 boo. Believe us when we say we'll be okay. We'll be okay.
head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, Mane, muzzle, back and hooves, Mane, muzzle, back and hooves, to wash a horse, you know just what to do. Mane, muzzle, back and hooves, Snout, trotters, wings and tail, beak and tail. Snout, trotters, wings and tail, beak and tail. Even if the ducky waddles off the trail. Snout, trotters, wings and tail, beak and tail. Head, muzzle, wings and hooves, Snout, trotters, knees and hooves, It's so much fun, we forgot just what to do. Head, muzzle, wings and hooves, Head, shoulders, knees and toes, Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The doors on the barn go open and shut,
Open and shut, open and shut.
The doors on the barn go open and shut all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
The bell on the lamb goes ding, 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 ding. The bell on the lamb goes ding, 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 all day long.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
The tail on the cow goes swish, 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 swish. The tail on the cow goes swish, 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 all day long. Another sunny day on Lellobee, Lellobee City Farm. A sunny day on Lellobee City Farm, where good things grow, where good things grow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack.
but only 4 little ducks came back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack.
but only 3 little ducks came back.
1, 2, 3.
3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack.
but only 2 little ducks came back. but none of the ducks came back. Sad Mother Duck went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack.
and all of her ducks came back. Another sunny day at Lellobee Farm, Lellobee Farm.
Lellobee Farm.
Everybody join and sing along where little ducks grow.
Playing outside is so much fun.
But there's something that we have to do now that we're done.
Our hands are dirty, so before we eat, we have to make sure our hands are clean. Let's wash our hands.
It only takes 20 seconds. Turn on the tap. Get your hands wet. Now grab the soap. Don't you forget to scrub, 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 dub, dub. Make a lot of soapy soap.
Now rinse, and you'll see your hands are squeaky clean.
If you're playing with your pet,
There is something you can't forget before you touch.
your mouth, eyes, or nose,
Your hands need washing. You know how it goes.
turn on the tap.
Turn on the tap.
Get your hands wet.
Get your hands wet.
Now grab the soap.
Grab the soap.
Don't you forget to scrub, 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 dub, dub. Make a lot of soapy suds. Now rinse.
Rinse. You'll see your hands are squeaky clean. That's right. Everybody.
Turn on the tap.
Turn on the tap.
Get your hands wet.
Get your hands wet.
Now grab the soap.
Grab the soap.
Don't you forget to scrub, 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 dub, dub. Make a lot of soapy suds. Now rinse.
Rinse.
You'll see your hands are squeaky clean.
That's right.
On Lellobee Farm, where good things grow.
Don't forget to dry them off with the towel.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A is for apple.
Such a yummy treat. B
Is for a bumblebee.
C is a carrot.
My favorite snack.
D is a dragonfly landing on my back. E
Is for Ella.
hello, that's me.
And F is for my family.
G is for good things, growing all day.
H is for a horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh. I is for Izzy, who wants a hug.
J
Is for a big old jug.
K is a cute little kitten. Meow. L
Is Letty the lamb. Wow.
M
Is for our Grandma Mei. And N is a nest full of fresh eggs.
O is for onion. Wanna take a bite?
P is a pumpkin.
Orange and bright.
Q is what a duck likes to say. Quack, quack.
R
Hey, Rishi.
running on a racetrack.
S is a scarecrow way up high.
T is a truck.
Driving by. U is for umbrella, keeping out the rain. V is for vegetables I eat every day. W is for worms.
Falling in the grass. X is for X-ray fish making a splash.
Y is for my cool yo-yo.
Z
Is for zucchini. That's everything we know.
if you wanna learn your ABCs, just go to Lellobee Farm,
where good things grow.